Welcome to the ROBOTIS Kids Lab. We're going to be taking a look at this crab activity. The ROBOTIS ideas projects are appropriate for kids of all ages. Even kids as young as 4 or 5, kindergartners, are able to construct these activities. We're going to start off with our yellow plates, and we need 2 of those, as well as our 2 black rivets and these 2 white O-rings. We're going to take the black rivet and insert that into the white O-ring and snap that into place. So we'll end up with 2 of these. Next, we're going to take our 3-prong yellow piece and we're going to be using that in order to construct the eyes for our crab. So we're going to take the black rivet and we're going to place that on top of the smooth area on this yellow piece. Now you'll notice that the yellow piece also has some bumpy ridged areas. We're going to avoid those for now. So we're going to simply place the black rivet on top of this smooth area and pop that into place, and you'll hear it snap. So we're going to do that for both of these yellow pieces. And we're going to end up with the eyes for our crab. Next, we're going to need this white plate as well as 2 orange rivets. We're going to insert the orange rivets at the location that you see here and these openings on the white plate. Next, we're going to take the eyes that we constructed earlier and we're going to put those behind the white plate. And we're putting them behind the white plate because we're going to snap those to the back of this orange rivet. And that will attach these yellow pieces to the white plate. Next, we're going to need these gray rivets. So you've got 6 of them, and this is going to help us to attach the arms for the crab. So we're going to put the 3 gray rivets here on the right-hand side into those holes on the right side of the plate. And now we're going to get the 3 gray rivets, and we're going to put those on the left side of the plate. And we're going to be snapping all 6 of those gray rivets into place and the location that you see in the picture. Now we need the remaining 6 yellow pieces. And you can arrange them kind of like you see in the image here. And these are going to go behind the white plate. And the rivet here, these gray rivets, are going to be raised up a little bit. And the yellow pieces will simply slide behind those so that we can snap them into place and have the legs for the crab in location. So now you have the gray rivets snapped into place for all 6 of these yellow plates. If you flip over the crab, this is what the back of the crab looks like. So here's the gray rivets that we have just inserted and snapped into place. And we're going to take the white piece and just simply lay that across here and snap that down. If you flip it over, then you'll see that you've completed your crab. Now you can actually move these legs around as you want. You can make the crab stand up, you can make the crab dance around, and you can get those pieces in any configuration that you would like. Be sure to check out the ROBOTIS website for some fun ideas and different types of kits that you can utilize for students in your classroom or your kids at home.